Want to remove or change music on your profile but you're not sure how? I'm Kate, and in this video I will show you how. And let's get started. You first open up your Instagram app, then from the home menu you tap on the profile icon at the bottom right here, and once you've done that you tap on edit profile. So once you've done that, scroll down to music, tap on it. Here's the music you've chosen already. Tap on remove and then tap on pick a song for your profile. So you pick another song, and once you've picked another song, so you tap on the mark to make sure you've confirmed your selection, and once you're through with that, tap on it again. That's all it takes to change or remove the music you've chosen to play on your profile or your profile music. If you found this video helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. We put up helpful tips and tricks like this one every day. Thanks for watching.